What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna teach you a beginner's class. So this is a basic hip hop choreography. Okay, the title of the song is called Gigolo. Yes, by Nick Cannon. Let's start. Here we go. This is 8/8 choreography. So yeah, let's start. No one. They don't want to be. Why are you so scared? They're all scared. All right. So first, we're gonna push it. Push and push. So your body face to your right, face to your left. Yeah, 6, 7, and push, push. Then you're gonna go up. Open your legs. 3 and 4. Push to the side. 5, change weight. And 6, you're gonna kick 7 and 8. So for this one, every time you go lift your legs, you're gonna jump a little bit. Go whoop and whoop. So this is boom, boom. Alright? One more time. So 5, 6 from the beginning. Push, push. 7 and push. Push up. 7, 8. 3 and 4. Push your hand. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. For the last time, faster. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2 center. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next, you open on 5. 1, 2, turn around on 3, open and 4. One more time. So 7, 8, just open. 1, 2, turn around on 3 and 4. Shoulder. 5 and 6. Close on 7, and 8. So contract. One more time. So 7, 8, open on 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So first and second combine. 5, 6, 7 and push, push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, shoulder 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Next, for this one, we're gonna go down cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and close on 4. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isolation of the hand is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then open to the back. 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, when you do this one, this is not down. This is every time you step it, your body goes up. So it's just like a clown. So hook down, hook up, up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Combine first, second, third. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and push. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Continue. From here. So 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, front and 4. 5, clap on 6, going back 7 and 8. That's very simple. One more time. 7 and 1, 2. So right, left, right, front, down. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Faster. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. 8. From the top. 5, 6. Slowly. 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. Okay, next. So all the first one is finished. The remaining one is very simple. Super simple. So for this one, 7, 8, open shoulder, right. So when you step to your right, lift your right shoulder, not the left. Not like this. So when the moment you step this one, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Again, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna go away on 5, 6, wait, 7 and 8. So it look like this. 7 and 8. Twice. One more time. So 7, 8, shoulder. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. So from here, 7, 8. Okay? So 7, 8, 1. So for this one, we take time. So here, 1, 2, double, 3 and 4. Left, 5, 6, back and 7. Open and 8. So single, single, double, double, single, single, open, up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Very good. Let's try from shoulder up. So 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next! Very good. 7, shoulder, down, 1, 2, shimmy, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, when you go there, start with right, go here, start with left. One more time. 7, 1, 2, shoulder, top, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the last 8, so 7 and shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just go down on 5. Woo! You will hear we. Woo! Then 7 and 8. That's it. That's all the choreography. Let's start one more time from here. 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 3, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry. 5, 6, 7. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Whee! 7, 8. Okay, you can use your 2 hand or single hand. Then 7, 8. Yes. Now we do everything from the beginning. Are you ready?
Yes.
No one here.
Okay.
So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, bounce. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 7 and 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Yeah! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. They're so busy, so I need to talk to you. Okay? Bye bye.